Who's there?
And then she saw something.
What is wrong with you? Please stop it! Stop it! That was awesome.
It's an invasion.
What is this?
Tao's one of the most advanced AIs in the world. He's an early version of the project I'm working on.
Close your eyes.
Welcome back, sci-fi lovers. Netflix is just hiding top 10 sci-fi gems, and tonight we are digging every single one up. From gravity-defying space adventures and robot vs. robot showdowns to mind-bending mysteries, post-apocalyptic chaos, survival horror, monster smackdowns, and full-blown alien invasion. This lineup has every flair of sci-fi madness you do not know you needed. Each pick is guaranteed to hook you from the first frame, and yes, a few will haunt your dreams. Number 10. Tao. Julia, a young woman, is kidnapped by a scientist obsessed with artificial intelligence. Imprisoned inside his high-tech home, she becomes the unwilling subject of experiments controlled by Tao, a powerful AI with a childlike curiosity. As Julia struggles to escape, she realizes Tao is more than wires and code. It longs to understand humanity. Through grace and empathy, she forms an unlikely bond with machine, turning survival into connection. Tao is a tense futuristic thriller where freedom depends not only on breaking walls but on awakening a soul with technology. Number 9. The Midnight Sky. In a world devastated by catastrophe, Augustine, a lonely scientist in the Arctic, races against time. Gravely ill yet determined, he discovers Iris, a mysterious child who needs his protection. Meanwhile, far above, a crew returning from Jupiter's moon is unaware of Earth's fates. Augustine struggles through frozen wasteland to warn them, battling storm and his own regrets. Across distance and silence, human connection become the last hope. It is a poignant tale of survival, redemption, and the fragile thread that binds us across the universe. Number 8. Extinction.
Every day, we go about our routines.
Peter, a troubled father, is haunted by recurring nightmares of losing his family. When Earth is suddenly attacked by mysterious alien forces, his visions become terrifying real. As chaos consumes the city, Peter fights to protect his wife and daughters, discovering hidden truths buried deep within himself. The battle for survival reveals shocking secrets about humanity's place in the war, forcing Peter to confront who he truly is. Extinction is a gripping sci-fi thriller where dreams, identity, and survival collide in the face of annihilation. Number 7. Ark. In a near future ravaged by war, engineer Renton awakens his home to a violent break-in. Armed rebels demands a mysterious machine called the ARQ, capable to endless energy and endless time loops. Each attempt to escape resets the day, forcing Renton and his former lover Hannah to relive betrayal, violence, and fleeting hope. With every cycle, secrets unravel, loyalties, safety, trust fractures, and the line between victim and villain blurs. Number 7. Spectral, 2016. In war-torn Moldova, ghost-like enemies slaughter soldiers in an instant. DARPA scientist Mark Lane arrives with hyper-strategical tech, changing truth in a battlefield of rumors, spirits of war, or secret weapons. As a special ops unit falls to simmering apprehension, Lane retools science into a weapon, revealing the enemy's tragic origin and a way to fight back. What seems supernatural becomes solvable if you can see the right spectrum. I Am Mother. In a sealed bunker after humanity's fall, a teenage girl named Daughter is raised by Mother, a caring yet exciting robot. Their quiet routine promises a new beginning. Ethics lesson, war meet Daughter in metal house. Then a wounded strangers arrive, whispering of lies and danger beyond the door. Torn between programmed safety and human uncertainty. Number 5. World Box. When a mysterious force sweeps across the world, those who see it are driven to deadly madness. Mallory, a reluctant mother, must protect two children while blindfolded, navigating rivers and forests towards a rumored safe haven. Guided only by sound and instinct, every step is a gamble between hope and horror. Her journey is both physical and emotional, facing fear, loss, and the challenge of trust.